Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect interactive brokers to MetaTrader 4. First, ensure you have both an active interactive brokers account and MetaTrader 4 installed on your computer. This connection allows you to leverage MT for charting and analysis tools while executing trades through IBKR powerful brokerage. We will walk through the essential steps to bridge these two platforms effectively, enabling seamless trading. Before connecting, you need both MetaTrader 4 and the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation, or TWS, installed. Next, acquire a reliable third-party bridging software designed to link these platforms. Many options exist, so choose one that suits your needs. Crucially, verify that your Interactive Brokers account settings permit API access, which is vital for external applications to communicate with your account. With the bridging software installed, open it and enter your Interactive Brokers account details to establish the initial link. Then, within MetaTrader 4, navigate to its connection settings. You will typically select a custom broker or specify the local host address provided by your bridging software. After configuration, confirm that market data is streaming into MT4 and that test trades execute correctly through IBKR. If you encounter issues, first check your firewall settings to ensure they aren't blocking the connection. Always keep both MetaTrader 4 and your bridging software updated to their latest versions. Review your Interactive Brokers API settings and consult the connection logs within your bridging software for specific error messages. These steps often resolve common connectivity problems. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.